Computers ensemble and disassemble. In the present video, we will teach you the step by step for the correct maintenance of a computer and improving the learning of the new generations.
Materials: screwdrivers, blowers, clean circuits, tape, alcohol, markers, disc lock, tweezer, breakers, eraser, personal protection elements, electrostatic handle, gloves, laces, boots, and mat.
Step by step, check that the computer is working correctly. Turn off the computer and disconnect the off cables and the power supply. Uncover the cabinet and remove the screws from the lid. Remove the wiring from the disk drive. Remove the disk drive. Remove the screws. Remove the wiring from hard disks. Remove the screws from hard disks and remove them.
Remove the wiring. Remove the wiring of the power source. Remove the power source. Remove the random access memory. Remove the screen from the motherboard. Clean the integrated and external parts of the motherboard using the brush to remove dust. Clean circuits on the motherboard.
All parts are assembled to the motherboard. The wiring is connected to the disk drive. The wiring is connected to the power source. RAM memory is assembled. Assemble the cabinet with the corresponding screws. The mouse, keyboard, and monitor hardware components are connected to the CPU. The power or energy source is connected. The computer is turned